Hi, Jay.
Hi.
What are you doing, baby?
I'm making fried rice because, like, I don't know. This one my mom. She's going, like, to another event. I don't know where, like, another restaurant.
So are you gonna cook for mommy over here?
Not really, because I'm a cashier.
But you're learning how to make.
I don't know how to make this.
Alright, okay. ថ្ងៃនេះ Jayden គេរៀនធ្វើឆាបាយថ្ងៃនេះគេចង់ជួយពូហុងហើយឆាពីងពូហុង Alright, so ខ្ញុំទៅកន្លែងផ្សេងឲ្យកូននៅកាន់កន្លែង Thank you គិតហើយនៅ Almost done?
Kind of. I added some chicken, some
Chinese sausage.
Chinese sausage, vegetables in it.
So if they want to get food, where do they go?
30 Church Street in Salem.
Yeah. 14 ឆ្នាំឯង he work in the kitchen. Alright. Okay. Okay, you're doing good job, baby. Oh, mommy, you don't know. Okay. Yeah.
So I just got done doing the fried rice. Look at that. Oh, me. So this wok, my mom bought it for like $60-something. Very high price, very good, very authentic. So yeah, that's it. And then yeah, you can just get it from Amazon.com. I like this it's because like it's not stick if you use it right, pretty much. And yeah, that's how we make our orders for fried rice or anything else.